Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to replace the shifter knob cover on Town & Country minivan and on Dodge Grand Caravan because they are completely the same. So this video applies to Town & Countries from 2011 to 2016 and Dodge Grand Caravans from 2011 to 2019. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now I've got a couple of these. Now the easiest way to get these covers is actually from a car salvage. There is lots of these minivans there, and you just go there, pop it out, and take them. And it will cost you maybe $5 each. If you try to get it online, I've seen the prices are quite expensive, and if you call a Dodge dealer, it's also quite pricey, so that's your best option. Now one very important thing, you don't want to remove just this, you see, leather piece that's missing on this one, right? Because you will damage it. So what you want to do, you want to use the flat screwdriver and completely pop out this part, this chrome part, right? You can see like how it looks. Okay, so that's what you want to pop out. So what you will do, you get a flat screwdriver, you will gently just pry it out, okay, without damaging anything. Okay, just like that. And then you will install the new one the same way, right? So I have two of them. I have to see which one is better. They're not really perfect, neither of them. So I think, yeah, I will use the other one, this one. And now to install it, you should just pop it straight on. You just have to align these guys right here. So you see there is like a couple of these grooves, pins, and this has to go into this position, I believe. Okay, that's it, you see, and the problem fixed. Now if you check the old one, I'm really not sure why this middle piece falls off. There is no real reason for it. I think it's maybe just glued or something, but many minivans I get, this is just missing. But like I said, you don't want to replace just the middle part. You get this whole chrome piece and then it just pops on, and that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.